In this tutorial, you'll learn how to call a function to execute code with Codely. We have a patient's data class. Let's create a new web form to display the patients. We use a data table available in the templates library. We create a patient's data source from the patient's data class and bind it with a data table. We drag and drop a text input component to allow the user to search for patients. We create a search data source, or string, and bind with the input. Each time the user enters data, we want to run a search on the patient's data class. On the patient's data class, we have a search function. The input parameter is value string. The result is a patient's entity selection whose first name or last name contains the value. We want to call this function when the onChange event is triggered on the input. We set up a function call event to call this function. The input is the search data source. The result must go in the patient's data source. Let's test. It works. Thank you for watching.